Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, good evening. We made it. You are now witnessing history. Bitcoin has touched 15,900. I think even a little bit lower, 16,300 right now. It is sad. It is a sad day for crypto. Almost everyone is emotionally, physically, mentally, everything just drained, right? Everyone that's invested in Solana, shout out to you guys. RIP. For those of you guys that believed in FTX, RIP. Voyager, RIP. Literally, we are so screwed. We are so screwed in this current state that I don't even think that we needed to be here. The only reason that this looks ugly is because of one man and one man only. And he decided that today or yesterday or the day before was the day to call out Alameda Research, bring Sam without thinking about the repercussions of doing it publicly, And this is the issue. Okay. Yes, he has found out something. You know, it would have been nice if he addressed it. And then he's like, hey, man, look, you got nothing, you know? But unfortunately, it is also very good to find out that, yeah, he's the man. Sam has declared bankruptcy, you know, after everything. So clearly he didn't have assets to back the withdrawals like he claimed. And just like we predicted when we first saw his tweets, it ended up biting him in the butt. And now we are suffering. We are suffering. People are upset, and it's okay. And we're gonna survive. It's you know, we're not here for the short term. We're here for the long term. So don't go panic selling. That's the first thing I say. Now is a good time if you see assets to get into. Now would be probably a good time to start DCAing into those things if you have the money to do it. If not, probably don't go selling your house to go invest it in crypto, because you never know. Imagine all the guys that thought about Solana. You think Solana would have been drained, getting caught in the crosswinds and getting wrecked. You know, why is the Solana price down? Because this is one of the reasons. Solana was held, right, by Alameda for quite some time, almost holding $1 billion of what locked and unlocked Solana. So with them going to purchase anything, do any type of movements, they would have to liquidate that Solana. And there's a gigantic thing. There's like 3 point something. Cryptos R Us was talking about it today. Check him out. Very big guru in our channel. But he was basically saying if $3.4 billion of Solana are being unstaked, you know, most likely it's going to dump even further. So I'm expecting this to continue to dump. I am looking for a bottom, just like many. I will bring this up on TradingView. I know I got a few DMs here saying they like that. And I also want to shout out to all the guys that don't catch me live. I see what you say and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Okay. So let me see. Dude, why is my moving average? Come in. So close. Just cross. Just cross, Dodes. Just cross. Just take off. This wasn't meant to happen. That's why. All right, let's go look at Solana. USDT crypto Binance. All right, so this is Solana now. We had initially charted Solana at places I would look for entry points. Guys, this is on the freaking floor. We are in the basement for this chart right now. I didn't even think it was going to get to 13. That's how oblivious I was when I first charted it. So we are going back. I'm looking at uh, previous chart history in order to do support and resistance levels. So it may not be perfect, so don't hate me. I'm going to the last low during this time period. And now I'm going to the last low during this consolidation period. And I'm going to actually, to be honest, that is enough for me. 19 and 11. This consolidation period is just straight. You know, it's so horizontal here. It moved up and down very quickly. I don't really see anything more than that. So we're in a gigantic gray area right now between 19 and $11. So I would love to see it consolidate at this level like it did in the past. And if that's what happens, very, very healthy. That'd be great. So this is that 19, and I know the candles look like, Teddy, you're crazy. How do you call this consolidation? But if you look at the support and resistance levels, like clearly this is healthy consolidation going sideways before um, the price went higher. You know, so we'll see what's gonna happen now, because before you know, it was resistance that it broke in order to have the bull run. Now we're looking at all the resistance points being support levels. Hopefully, imagine it crashes through $11. We are literally trading back when Solana, you know, first got onto Binance here. It probably got on before even this. So that's $4 right there, which was the initial high. And let me see the last low, right around $1.16 there. I hope I got that right. I mean, Solana's not an exchange, so it's we'll probably be fine. Right about, yeah, like $1. Dude, imagine. Well, you're still up, I guess. We'll see. Definitely a very horrible day for Solana. Definitely. Definitely, definitely, definitely. Man. Imagine it actually breaks $11. The next support line I have drawn is $5, guys. Oh boy. Oh boy. I really hope not. I really hope not. Let me see. Do I have, is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. All right, so this one's a fun one. I did chart this yesterday, so I had no idea where this was going to go, and it's funny to see it clinging on to $2.50, guys. I literally charted this, right? So it's great when TA works. This was something I saw early on. I put it up there. I literally said to myself, if it gets to here, this probably means something bad happened with FTX. And just like that, we're at that $2.50 mark. Now it's gonna be interesting because CZ has said, hey, there's some things we found under the hood when we went and we looked at FTX. It's not everything's nice and dandy over there, right? They got some issues, and we don't want to acquire them at this time because they got issues. Saying that alone crashed his price, right? So now we're at $2.50. We're literally hugging the last support level, and then the next one is 50 cents, in my opinion. So this is how nicely support and resistance levels work when used effectively. So it's very great. I'm very happy to see this, but 53 cents would be a big shocker to everybody, I think. But I'm very glad to see $2.50. I'm not sure if this would indicate a buy for me. I still think there's a bunch of dumping that's going to continue to happen. I don't know if we can save this. I mean, Voyager too, right? Like now everything's a question mark. So does anyone really have hope? I haven't kept up with the comments, so I'm catching up here. Iron Lux Trader, what's going on? Red Sox, please, God save crypto, please, please. This S looks ugly. Yes, it does. Hit that like, indeed. 14 of you here. Welcome to the channel. We talk about crypto markets. We do goon shit, triple G's. Roll it up. Smoke that like button. You know what it is. Fug indeed. You can't count projects you own as capital. Yes, you can't. You can't. He was literally using user funds and claiming they were his capital and saying he could. It was ridiculous. It was ridiculous. The entire thing was there. I've been buying all day. What are you buying, bro? Tell me what you buying. Thanks for the words of wisdom, Teddy. Oh, thanks, Aaron Luxtrader. What's going on, buddy? Solana got having coming up. Who called it, Teddy? I've been telling you, dude, we've all called it. All the goons. If you were watching this channel, you were informed from 3 days ago till now. As soon as it happened, everyone's like, oh, now's the time to buy Binance. Now's the time to buy FTX. And I'm like, no, before I buy anything, I'm going to chart it and then predict whether it's a good entry point or not. $2.50 was an entry point, I said on that stream. So I am, if I kept my word, I would be buying it. But unfortunately, I see better price points for other cryptos in the space. So I did look into purchasing more Bitcoin or Ethereum at the current price level. Then I realized that I have no funds to purchase Bitcoin or Ethereum because I had purchased some yesterday. It turned into a whole thing. I wish I had just waited one extra day to purchase a little bit more, and I would have had just a tiny bit more accumulated. But it's okay. I will continue to wait. BTC 12640, still my call. We will look at BTC because I do have that charted as well, and we are in a lot of gray territory right now. So let me see. I think it's this one. So I had this one charted, and we are past my 17,590. My next support comes in at 14,100. My next support literally comes at 14,100. And if we cross 14,100, I have it as gray area. I'm not, it is something I haven't charted. I can chart it. I just hope, right? And $2,000 going up and down at Bitcoin, if it consolidates at 16,000, is no joke. It is literally possible. You could be in a situation where you're grabbing Bitcoin at 14,000. How many times have you seen Bitcoin go up and then go down? Like $2,000 up here and there, right? Guys, 20 goons watching. Guys, smash that like button. Give it a good smoke. Pass it to the next viewer. Make sure he's smoking it too. And welcome. Welcome. We stream every day, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Go for about 45 minutes. Great time. Talk about markets, crypto, degen plays, top 100, crypto news, anything. And today is a very unfortunate day for crypto. Looking at the charts, what we've charted before, and we are well below the 17,590 support line that I had initially had from the last low. So a lot of people tried to call double bottom. Does this look like a double bottom to you? Get out of here. This went way below bottom. We're in the freaking basement, boys. We're in the basement. We're chilling out here. Healthy consolidation, hopefully at 16,000. This is prices that I cannot believe I'm seeing, and I don't know if we're done because we don't know what's going to happen with Binance. We don't know what's going to happen with FTX. We don't know Alameda Research if they're going to start dumping their freaking tokens on us. We literally don't know. How many of these people are literally trying to wreck us right now in order for them to get out of debt, right? Crypto is always a risk asset. Tom Brady lost millions. He always does, man. He always does. Don't buy FTX. Don't buy. Don't be the lunatics. Don't be the lunatics. We still haven't recovered from the Luna crash. This is not going to help. We're getting wrecked. We're absolutely getting wrecked. SBF was doing shady accounting. Dude, absolutely. Very, very shady accounting. No, he was counting project he controlled. Sup, Teddy Neckar? What's going on, buddy? I'm having flashbacks to Saitama Inu days. Don't even say that. Don't even say that crypto-centric Saitama Inu days. Saitama Inu still relevant, bro. Don't fud my bag, man. Mr. Cryptic, can you please stop spamming you're an admin but acting like a bot? DCA. I told you this in April. Smoke that like button. Mr. Cryptic, why? I guess you're spamming. People are freaking out, buddy. BTC hit 15,500 today. Yeah, that's what it was. 15,500. That was 15,900. Alameda is controlled by, yes, Alameda is controlled by FTX. They own the FTT tokens that they're going to dump on all of us. They own, I think, even the Solana, right? When we first looked into this. So this is a very sad day for Bitcoin lovers everywhere. We are in a gray territory, 14,000 being the next support level that I had, because we just went up way too quickly here. And we did catch support here at 16,000. It looks like, if in theory, but this was back in 2020. So, oh boy, 2017 was the other. Actually, let me see. 2017. Yeah, they got something. Some stuff happened here. 16,400, and that could be a good resistance level. See, 17,207 was another resistance level. Man, this is gonna be scary. Like literally into the night. And you know what's even crazier? RSI, right? RSI is a freaking 27. This is the biggest buy signal I've ever seen. And most of these buy signals come in times where people don't have money to throw back in to the market. And that's literally what's happening. We're bleeding out. We're bleeding out. The only people winning are exchanges. Literally, every time you withdraw, sell, buy, only the exchanges win. Even if it doesn't matter if it's a green market, red market, exchanges make money, you know? And then you got Binance over here throwing their wallets around, they're doing Binance moves. Like, this is so, like, the things that have transpired in the last few days are so, would not fly in the stock market, you know? This is why most of the time in stock markets, it's like 20% down is a lot. Yes, we're 40% down. We're 70% down on FTT. Like, this is horrible. This is horrible, you know? 60% down. Like, this is the reckoning. This is like depression. This is I have lost everything I have saved money on. It is so unfortunate to see this. And all it took was one Mr. Sam, and I'm not blaming CZ here. CZ, whether he did it the right way or not is up to you guys. But the way that Sam, the billionaire, the smartest guy in the room, made all this money, right? Has all these assets, even tricked our own friend Keith Shibnobi Analytics. Shout out to you, buddy. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate because if he can do that, a 30-year-old, right, and now he's declaring bankruptcy, regardless of where he brought it, that's always going to be a mark on his name. And that's what's crazy about this space, because the people that control this space control it in many ways that you can't even recall. This guy, CZ, is doing power moves. We got a small taste of it, when he tried to save FTX by buying FTX. I wouldn't be surprised if CZ tries to dissolve other exchanges in the future as well. It's easier acquiring them than having them as competitors. It's easier running that exchange's name, but in the back end, it's all Binance that gets everything. Binance is the one that has control. A lot of people use CoinMarketCap. When you think of crypto analytics, right now you're thinking CoinMarketCap. Do you know Binance actually owns CoinMarketCap? Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Ugh. Why is your boy spamming the chat? Pistol Pete. Pistol Pete said, yo, other mods, get him, get him. No, I'm just kidding. Silk Road liquidations coming to BTC. We got Mountain Gox coming to BTC. Like literally, BTC can get a beating. Literally, we can see BTC get a beating. And what people keep trying to tell me is, oh, we've hit the floor. This is it. Buy now. But I don't know if we've hit the floor. This went down so quickly. There's still so much more whale manipulation that's happening right now. I just can't see it, guys. Like I'm so disappointed. I am so disappointed in this centralized exchanges, power moves, and really I see it as two things. I see it as one, okay, it's great we exposed Sam, but at the same time we kind of also exposed CZ and seeing what his real mentality is like, where his mind's at, and he's all about free market. He would literally wreck a token, investors in the free market, if he woke up one day and was just like, this is it, I'm dumping all my bags. Imagine someone just does that to you, right? That is horrible. That is horrible. And most likely he probably puts in, shorts, right? And and then dumps on you. So he makes money no matter what. Ugh. Now CZ has his hands on Twitter and Certic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Binance owns Certic, right? Right? Wait, does Binance owns Certic? Founded in 2017, Certic is a blockchain security audit firm and one of Binance Labs' earliest portfolio companies. So yeah, guess it does. Business domain at Certic. Binance as a whole includes everything a project needs. Has already caught all the latest market trends. Just follow the steps and go with it. Great. Binance Bridge. Wait, what the hell? Oh no, this was ages ago. Their bridges. Disappointing. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's check CoinDesk. Haven't done that. Went right to the charts today. Sorry about that. Binance walks away from deal to acquire FTX. If you haven't been in crypto and you didn't know that, where have you been all day? Welcome, welcome, welcome. This did happen. Sent FTX plummeting, Solana plummeting, Bitcoin plummeting. Everything's down right now. And we got CPI report tomorrow. Imagine that goes sour. This is it. We're literally potentially seeing the reckoning happening in front of our very own eyes. Bankman is going to jail, dude. We've heard that so many times. Hello, is this the real John Patrick? What's up? What's up? What's up? Haven't seen you in ages, buddy. Hope everything is going well. Hope everything's good in Texas. But yes, very, very disappointing what's happening in crypto, guys. Very, very sad. One guy can do all this to us. One guy can literally wreck us in a day. And I'm not saying today it's Sam. Tomorrow, if he decides, hey, my Matic holding that Binance holds, I'm not happy with it. I'm gonna have to dump it. I didn't get that backroom dealing like I could have gotten with Sam. He called me up and he told me, hey, you need to buy me. Hey, John, what up? Captain Dark. JP. Sup, fam? See, we all missed you, John. You've been MIA, and we're all like, where's John? Where's John? FTX faces U.S. Department probe report. Dude, they get the craziest shots of them, I swear. Wait, did I read the other? All right, so Binance walked away. What happened? Market wrap, Bitcoin and other cryptos. All right. Their market wrap is pretty good, actually. I do appreciate the guys that write it. They do a good job. Ether was recently changing hands about 1100. It's the lowest level since July. Continued to plunge for third consecutive day as investors fretted over every development in an industry. already rocking from calamities involving crypto giants, Terraform Labs, bum bum bum, Three Arrows Capital, bum bum bum, and Celsius Network. FTX is FTT. Oh, yep, 50%. That's true. Solana went down. Yep. Last week, Alameda's balance sheet showed the firm held 292 million of unlocked Solana and 863 million of locked Solana. Dude, as soon as this stuff unlocks, they're gonna dump on us. That's literally everyone's fear. And now they're going bankrupt. And if they have to liquidate their assets in order to, like, literally, this is a reckoning waiting to happen. Someone needs to buy all these guys, and unfortunately, CZ wasn't the guy. It's like he says all this stuff in public. He's like, "Hey, we put a LOI. We're gonna buy FTX. We're thinking about it. Blah blah blah." And then, hey, there's too much here, dude. You were freaking 21 billion dollars in volume, and yesterday I think it was 70 something billion or 60 something billion, in a 24-hour period. You could totally save these guys, man. Come on. Remember, you don't have assets. You don't use customers' assets in order to provide them as collateral or use them as capital, right? It's okay. Hey, Teddy, is GGG NFTs done? Haven't heard anything on them. GGG NFTs are not done. Triple G's. Shout out to all GGG NFT holders. We got that third collection coming in, ready to airdrop. We're figuring out the best marketing strategy and when to release them as well. As you know, the market is very bad right now. The release as of right now would not be good for us. It'd probably be detrimental to those NFTs and wouldn't do them justice. So right when this market condition improves a little, anyone that holds the Triple G NFTs, either the FOMO or the Ganja Goons 2 collection, we will airdrop you from the third collection, which has a lot more utility that will replace, right? So I'll replace the current NFTs. Then he did his due diligence and woke up. Evening. Tony, what's going on? Nice to see you. I mean, TBF, Teddy, Elon basically started the last bull run and killed it as well. I know. We just chose a different guy this time, you know? We just chose a different guy this time. I'm not going to touch Solana, just my opinion. Last year I made good profits. BTC is not over yet, guys. It will keep going down. There you go. JP NFT whale. JP is the NFT whale. JP holds a lot of NFTs. Wadi Rodriguez, shout out to him, holds a lot of NFTs. My boy Crypto Norvell holds a lot of NFTs. We're gonna make sure this third collection does justice. The artwork is good. It is a metaverse type artwork, so we can easily integrate into metaverse projects and be very strategic with who we work with. Keeping your crypto, no. 8 days in November, what led to FTX's sudden collapse? Most of FTX's legal compliance team quit. Wait, what? Ouch. Imagine your entire legal team quits. Like, the majority of FTX's legal and compliance team quit Tuesday. Dude, that is so sad. Citing people from that could be headaches as the cryptocurrency deals with liquidity crisis and potential regulatory scrutiny. So for story notes that FTX Sandberg is an investor in the news organization that has declined to comment. Dude, that is horrible. I mean, how is this freaking? This is it. This is literally 4 sentences, and this is front page on freaking CoinDesk. How is CoinDesk this? Beautiful, Teddy. Yep. Yep. Oh man, this is literally unfortunate. I wonder what Reddit's saying right now. Reddit. Have they any of these Reddit guys? Wait, 28 Ganja Goons in the building, guys. Smash that like button. We stream every day, Monday through Friday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. Come catch me 45 minutes out of your day. And even for the guys that don't catch me live, I've gotten the DMs from you that are watching me after. Shout out to you guys. Thank you for smashing that like after. It helps the channel grow, and it's something we need. It helps me grow in this YouTube algorithm, and the algorithm is so evil to me. So definitely smash that like, hit that subscribe. You don't have to say anything. Even if you hit subscribe, we won't tell anybody you subscribed. FTX isn't collapsing because of bad business or CZ. It's because they committed crimes. Okay, one, they can't pay back customers. This means they stole customer funds. Yeah, because the guy literally used customer funds as capital, as collateral, even. FTX isn't an effing bank. They aren't supposed to have fractional reserves. They aren't allowed to lend out your assets. They are an exchange. They are supposed to have all customer funds covered one to one. Anything apart from this means they're committing fraud. Wow, this guy said it perfectly, dude. They inflated their balance sheets. Yes, this we knew. This is simple enough. It is true. It means FTX is insolvent. They can't pay back their creditors, namely customers who they lied to that the funds were available. Because the way that they said their funds were available was they held their own asset, FTT token, and had a majority, so it was inflated. Alameda also inflated its balance sheet by increasing the value of its own assets, thus pretending they are solvent. A little company called Enron. Oh my God, I literally called this out. Enron did this too. They used BLC balance sheet to get credit to gamble on crypto. Yeah, that's literally what they did. That's hilarious. They traded against their customers. They were using the data from FTX buy and sell orders plus your own money they took to move the markets against you. They used your own money to F you. FTX was going to, this is the thing. FTX, no matter what, whether CZ did it now or later, it was going to collapse because there was stuff. And even when CZ went and investigated it to try and purchase it, he saw shady stuff. He closed that deal immediately. Things weren't proper there, which is why every smaller exchange, no matter how much volume it gets, you are under CZ's eye. He says something to you, you are getting wrecked. You better hope that this guy doesn't make a tweet about you, man. Not your keys, not your coins. Very good. Liminal, I completely agree with that. Welcome. Thanks for the subscribe. Appreciate it, dude. That would be bad business practices. Absolutely. I've been subscribed for a long time. See, Tony? You see? Thank you. I appreciate it. Most of the balance sheet were projects he owned. Yeah, that's true. Binance is strongly leaning towards scrapping FTX rescue takeover after first glance at books. Wow. Unverified. And they had this 10 hours ago. Look at that. These guys are on top of it. These Reddit guys, they know, man. Never go against the Reddit community. They are strong. Redditors be strong. 55 million Solana is being deactivated from staking right now, with potentially the biggest dumping to take place in approximately 14 hours when the epoch ends. That's right. Epoch 370. That's right. That's right. So, okay. So, this is one of the things they talk about. 34 million Solana is gonna unstake, right? This is total locked stake. And in this epoch, when it gets to 370, which is 6 hours, 52 minutes left remaining, they are predicting Solana is gonna dump even more, guys. Is literally gonna dump. Because most of these guys that have it, dude, it's at $13. You just got all the Solana you unlocked. You staked it thinking it's gonna go. I had the same exact thing happen to me with crypto.com. I bought crypto.com. I thought it was going to go, this thing. I'm like, oh, I should stake it anyway, long-term hold. By the time I unstaked it, it was down more than 4 times its value, and then I went and I staked it again and it's still down currently, but it's a longer stake. We'll see what happens, but it's an unfortunate thing because staking sounds so good, but when the price doesn't do as well as you want it, does having those extra tokens or having the extra small 1-2% really give you the benefit? What if you could have exited, your Solana without staking? So it's crazy. This is validator staking, I understand, but I'm still using it as a thing to be like, these guys, they don't think, it's okay. So yeah, this is like billions of dollars, right? So these billions of dollars are gonna deactivate, and it's gonna be quite crazy. Thank you. I have been subscribed. Yeah, got Crow at 7 cents. Road till 73. Oh my god, dude, come on, come on. Mike Tyson won't be happy. Is he ever? Is he? Yeah, I think sometimes he's happy. Haven't talked in a while, Teddy. How's the wife and daughter? Wife and daughter are doing good. Just trying to get a sleep schedule, which I guess is not going to happen anytime soon. But other than that, pretty good, pretty good. Nice to see you, Al. Welcome, welcome, welcome. FTX is down, dude. Is it? No, they're back up now. Get out of here. We're seeing one of the biggest opportunities right now. Wait, so FTX US and FTX, I wonder how that works. If you bought Bitcoin in December 2017, you have now lost money. There you go. There you go. Get out of here, 2017 nubs. uh Pouring one out for last year's 64K FOMO winners. I know. I feel so sorry for whoever went all in back then. Like, we've all lost money, but those guys lost money, dude. They did. They did. It's okay. I'll just wait for the next all-time high to FOMO in again. Oh my god. No, man, Reddit is critical, man. They're meme lords, I swear. Love it. Everscale AMA, ask us anything. What the hell? Pinned by moderators? What the hell is Everscale? Binance statement in full after not acquiring FTX. Yeah, we've all read this. Yeah. Ecosystem is becoming more resilient. We believe in time that outliers that misuse user funds will be weeded out by free market. No, no, no. They wouldn't have been weeded out by the free market. We would have needed a Voyager collapse to happen. CZ, you just made it happen quicker. Don't even try to say free market BS with this. Yeah, I blame CZ. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. As a regulator, don't come after me, CZ. It was a joke. As regulator, he has a lot of money. It's just one phone call. Hey, see this guy, Teddy? We got to take him out. He said I'm the reason. He said I'm the reason all these guys lost all this money. Take Teddy out. So I'm just one phone call for him, Doesn't matter where he is. Freaking whales, bro. They can wreck you in a day. If I disappear, you know what happens. CZ took me out. Oh boy. Oh boy. Binance is strongly leaning towards scrapping. Yeah, we already read that. Bitcoin rainbow price chart has broken below blue line and now indicates basically a fire sale. Wait, wasn't this guy wrong? Because like it's well below that now. Yeah, get out of here. Your TA ain't right, bro. Now I finally understand the term fire sale. Yeah. Now, would I buy the house next door to a house that is currently on fire? No. But would I buy a house next door to a house that just had a fire? Maybe. If I don't have to live in that house for a few years while the firehouse is being remodeled. Yeah. I guess what I am saying is don't buy while the fire is hot. Buy when the fire is out and everyone still sees the smoke. This could go lower if the fire spreads. Dude, this guy's comment was spot on because the fire did spread and it did go lower, bro. Damn. Everything is all right. Everything thong. What? Thong. All right. Do you do charts, brother? I do charts. Tell me. Do you want me to look at a chart? You let me know. TA Blue, welcome to the channel. Nice to see you. We do TA, we do everything. So whatever you need, want me to look at, you let me know. We'll take a look. I think it's all BS. CZ will help. CZ, you think CZ is gonna help after he just wrecked his entire thing, dude? His credibility for doing what he did, I don't know, man. I don't know. Adam, all right, let me look at Adam. I don't think I've ever charted Adam. I'll do Adam USDT. Is there an Adam USDT Binance? Let me see. Binance futures. Wow, they really don't have a Binance USDT. Oh no, there's right here. Adam Cosmos. Yep. Oh wait, I have charted Adam. Oh my god, I've charted Adam. Wow. All right, let's look at this. So, yeah, there are times I just go in, I'll just chart and come back to it later and be like, "Hey, look how nicely this lined up." you know? And this is one of those times. Let me just quickly look. So, it looks like I don't know when the last time I charted it, but my initial support line was at $8.49, which was the last um low during that period, right? And then it went down lower during a different period and it charted at $5. So I've kept these two lines as support lines because they bounced back from that price. And I have resistance lines mainly at areas of resistance, which is $12, which is where the current price is. So right now we're at $9.91 for Adam. It is pretty much healthy consolidation as long as it's between 12 and 8 because it went up pretty quickly here. That I didn't find any true levels of support. But if we truly went granular, I probably could write a support or resistance level right at $10, and put one closer to $9.30 and have one closer to 11. What is this, like 11, no, 12, so almost $12 here, and it's just useless because you don't need to go to that. You're not holding for that dollar, or maybe you are, which is crazy. But in order to make useful profits in this thing, you would need to break support and resistance levels. So now is a very good time to acquire, like it is across the board. RSI at 33 seems pretty good, man. What are your thoughts on the market the next few hours? I'm not seeing anything going good right now because of Big Daddy Bitcoin go down. CZ supports Lunk. He did not initially support Lunk. Remember, he first came out and he could do that. He's probably sitting in his thing. He's got his hat on. He's like, all right, damn it. I guess I gotta do this. I gotta pull the plug. And then he realizes, shit, I pulled the plug and now I crashed the market. All these guys are mad. I own these things. All right, guess I got to go in and purchase them and save the day. Maybe he will do the Luna Classic thing. He changes his mind about the burn. The burn didn't help Luna Classic. We were all wrong, but regardless, time will tell. Exactly, John Patrick. Time will tell. Yeah, that's basically my thoughts on Adam. Let me see here. Holy Kronos. Wait, what happened with Kronos? Bro. Is Crow not on? Oh, Crow's not on freaking. Interesting. I never knew that. Spot. Yeah, screw it. Give me this. No, it wasn't this one. I thought I did chart it before, but I probably did it somewhere that I cannot recall. Wait, I just want Crow. Maybe it was KuCoin. Oh, yeah. Dude, what? Crow's at 8 cents. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't know. Crow, I just keep getting wrecked by it, guys, unfortunately. I don't even understand how they're still, like, making money on Crow. It literally doesn't make sense to me. Randy Neal's $5 super sticker. Randy, thank you. I appreciate it, buddy. Nice to see you. Welcome back. Smash that like. Helps the channel grow. Definitely need that. But guys, it is 9 o'clock. I do have to go, Randy. Give you a shout out. Hopefully you'll see me tomorrow, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. And that's when I'll see you again. But it's been great. Market looks bad. Nothing really to do other than diamond hand hold, in my opinion. If not, move your assets into something more strategic that'll give you more profits than something else. So guys, thank you for coming in. Thanks for smoking that like button. Thanks for subscribing and giving me your comments. I love that interaction. I love talking to you guys. It literally helps keep the show going, you know? So I appreciate it. Have a good night. We'll see you again tomorrow. Make sure you're back. It's like a family in here. We're a goon gang, and goons stick together. All right, guys. Goodbye. Good night.